They thought it was just a toy bird of brass and gears. But hidden inside was a secret that could stop time itself. Welcome back. It's time for another story from Tales by Moonlight. Long ago, a clockmaker built a bird of gold and gears after losing his only daughter. When wounded, it sang a melody so beautiful that the world itself froze. Years later, a young girl discovered it in his abandoned workshop. As the bird sang, time paused, and she saw visions of the clockmaker's love moments preserved forever. The clockwork bird wasn't a toy. It was a memory keeper, proof that even when time moves on, love is timeless. And that was just a glimpse of the clockwork bird's timeless secret. Want to hear the full story? Fly over to our channel, Tales by Moonlight, and discover the mystery in full. Thank you for joining us under the moonlight. If this story touched your heart, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more timeless tales. Until we meet again. May the moon guide your path.